Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the second installment from Auldey, and this is the Full Metal KAINAR from Asy-Tac Fronteer KAINAR. So this is the gunner type from that Mecha anime series, and this is very nice. I really like the color of the Full Metal KAINAR here, but it's a bit toyish in the color shade, especially this light apple green. But for me, it is fantastic. We got here two shades of green, the light apple green and the darker shade of apple green, plus this clear blue-green colored pieces here on the shoulders and here in the knees and forearms. So this kit comes with multiple armaments. The main gun here that is attached on the right shoulder, and missile hatches that is attached on the left shoulder and both legs here on the sheen. And we got two sets of handguns, or sets of handguns, that is attached here on the front skirt. So I did remove it from the front skirt because this is very hard to detach. So for you to see and appreciate that this kit has its own front skirt arsenal like that. So I already removed it. But for you to attach it on the front skirt, you need to fold this and there, put it on the front skirt pegs there that you can see there. So we got the holes for the pegs to be attached there. Okay, so let's go with the articulation, but before that, let me just remove all the armaments. So for the head, it can rotate on this manner. For the shoulder armor is very bulky and it can rotate 360 degrees just like that. Okay, and the arms can raise up to this far, but not so much because of this structure on the gauntlet. It prevents it from raising up so much. So the elbow here can bend about 180 degrees, but this is very tight. I don't like to force this because I might break the plastic there. And for the missile hatches, which I already opened because this is very hard to open. So there we go, we got 4 sets of missile per legs. And here on the left shoulder, we got 7 missiles. This hatch here is very difficult to open, so I don't like to force it to open like that. But supposed to be, it can open like this. But I didn't open it so much because I might break the peg there. So I'm very afraid of that. So for the side skirts, it can raise up to this far. For the back skirt, this is connected by ball joint, but this is a bit tight, especially the front skirt here. The front skirt is really tight, cannot raise up. That's why I removed the gun, for you to appreciate and review that this front skirt is very tight. So the legs can kick forward, but not so much because I cannot raise this one I might break the peg there, so that's the cons on this kit. That's the main problem for that. Cannot make the legs kick forward, but for the knees, you can bend up to this far, and you can see the separation of the knee armor, just like that. And there. For the feet, can move side to side, can do some toe flex and toe extend, but not plantar flexion and plantar extend. It cannot do that. For the hands here, the hands are just like the old school master grade hand, the one with trigger finger and 3 connected fingers there on a ball joint, and we got pegs on each side, and the thumb can also move with its ball joint. Okay, so for the main gun here, we got this very nice bazooka. Okay, so there, the handles can move like that, and it can be used as a melee weapon. We got here this kind of mechanism where this blade can fold here and extend like this to make it like a spear. So this is its melee weapon. Very interesting. So to attach it, it's very simple. You can put it here on the hand and have the peg secure the slot there, just like that. So it's very hard to attach. Anyway, you can also do the rocket launcher mode by again attaching it just like that, and there you go, and shoot the enemies with this weapon just like that. Very awkward pose, but you can also attach it on the shoulder peg here on the right. So we got here this connector and the peg there, so just attach it like that, very easy and secure there. So let's close all the missile hatches. There you can hear a click. I'm very careful on closing those hatches because it's very tight, just like that. And I don't like breaking things here because this is one of my rarest kit, and I cannot find the store already for this kit because the store has been frozen by Shopee. And let's attach those guns. So for size comparison, let's compare it with 1/100 scale Gundam here, which is the Horse Jacket, and this high new Gundam here from Bandai, and it's the size of an average master grade kit. It's about 18 centimeters in height. So that's it. This is a quick review for the full metal Kainar from Auldey, and see you next time.